Hello, my name is Supisara. Today I'm gonna present the innovation of water is Inflatable Flood Barrier ผนังกั้นน้ำแบบพองตัว Inflatable Flood Barrier is smart innovation for flood management and innovation in flood protection using inflatable system. As you can see the picture. Urban flooding problems. Flooding is the major problem in urban areas. It is caused not only the heavy rainfall, but is also by slow drain and limited protection system. Traditional flood wall is very heavy and slow to install. What is the inflatable flood barrier? A temporary flood protection system made from a waterproof membrane material, inflected when flooding risk occurs, and from a barrier to block water, as you can see the picture. How it works? A barrier is inflected by air or water. Water pressure keeps it stable. No permanent structure is required. Key advantage. The membrane is fast installed, flexible and reusable, space-saving store, and suitable for building and urban area. The material that we use: strong and flexible membrane materials, waterproof and pressure resistance, and material design is the key to performance. Future of flood management. I think a smart and adaptive flood protection, quick response to flooding events, and efficient and modern solution. Conclusion. Inflatable flood barriers show that flood protection does not need to be permanent, and smart design and innovation help protect city. Thank you. Thank you for your attention, and thank you for your listening.